Oh, you can certainly tell there's a bit more weight on the sled this time. Connor's still moving. Here it doesn't look like it.
Yeah. Is that first grade?
226 feet and 2 inches. Let's see what the ladies can do. He's still moving. Let's move towards her. 227 feet. Aaron can do though. And a full pull at 315 feet 4 inches. Strictly diesel and G&J diesel. And this is Brian Bush. Chicago, California. 97 Dodge, 3/4 ton truck, sponsored by BD Diesel Performance. .186 feet 4 inches. Whatever works.
See how far he goes.
Wouldn't it be cool if he made a full pull and became the leader in the clubhouse? That way we can say the unicorn part is the new leader in the clubhouse.
Sound like he's going very far.
But I don't think I'm going to get, my dream's not going to get realized, unfortunately, I don't think. So much for the unicorn part.
He didn't even get it going.
153 feet, 9 inches. .242 feet, 1 inch. All right, Weeby's ready to pull.
Yeah. What did they get?
264 feet and 6 inches. In-house chassis dyno. Brown's Diesel's excited to meet your needs. Let's spin.
Still moving.
Ride the perimeter. Out the track. Well, that's speed. He can take it the distance.
We won't get second either because we're hitting right.
A pull of 228 feet and 6 inches. Cummins pump. And product. Starlight Diesel.
Both ways.
All right, we kick off the 3-0 class with Albert Mendez from Crow's Landing, California. The truck he calls the Dodge Father.
Window tint.
I'll take it out.
That's a lot of 1267088.
Family crossing his daughter. Just one.
Tom Colsanti gets the green flag, and here he goes. Fooling the turbo. Hoping for a full pull. Got to go farther than 226 feet 3 inches.
Yeah. There's the other guy doing that
Gotta start somewhere.
Still moving.
Remember they changed the sled.
I know, but the other guy didn't turn we have
106 feet
26
and 2 inches.
No, the guy,
I didn't know what it was.
unless it's like 2 different brands.
Bright green Dodge. There's only one question on Trevor's mind. Can he go further than anybody else at 252 feet 8 inches? Got to go farther than that. It doesn't look like it's going to happen. 235 feet and 1 inch overall. It's going to be close. 326 feet 6 inches.
Chrome Ford deal.
254 feet. Up next, John Toromina, San Jose, California. 2002 Dodge. Trying to better 254 feet, 8 inches. 232 feet. A local Dodge dealer bought a brand new truck. Never told him a word about he was going to use it for a bullet truck. Here tonight. Look at him go! You know, if he would have told the Dodge dealer, they would have brought the local TV cameras out and made a Dodge commercial about that. Not bad. 215 feet, 4 inches. A very strong pull, 249 feet. Garrett DeGroot, still moving. Until now. 189 feet and 9 inches. Still going. Ford Excursion still going.
It died!
234 feet, 6 inches.